In this tutorial, we will install Express for beginners and build a simple Node.js server. Step 1. Install Express.js. Open your browser, type install Express.js, click on the official link, and follow the instructions provided to complete the installation. Step 2. Download Node.js. Open your terminal, macOS Linux X, or Command Prompt Windows and verify that Node.js is properly installed on your operating system by running the following command. To download and install Node.js on macOS, the recommended approach is to use NVM, Node Version Manager. NVM allows you to manage multiple versions of Node.js easily without conflicting with system installations. First, install NVM by following the instructions from the official repository. Once NVM is set up, you can use it to install the latest version of Node.js with a simple command. During the installation, npm Node Package Manager is automatically included, allowing you to manage dependencies and packages for your projects. After the installation, you can verify that Node.js and npm are working correctly by checking their versions in the terminal. This method ensures a flexible and reliable Node.js setup on macOS. On Windows, one of the easiest ways to install Node.js is by using Chocolatey, a package manager for Windows. First, ensure that Chocolatey is installed on your system. Once installed, you can open Command Prompt or PowerShell and use Chocolatey to download and install the latest version of Node.js. This installation will automatically include npm Node Package Manager, which allows you to manage project dependencies and run Node.js applications. After the installation is complete, you can verify that both Node.js and npm are properly installed by checking their versions in the terminal. Using Chocolatey makes it simple to manage Node.js updates and ensures a smooth setup on Windows systems. On Linux, you can install Node.js efficiently using NVM, Node Version Manager, which is well suited for managing multiple Node.js versions on a single system. Unlike macOS, Linux often requires installing build tools and updating your shell configuration after NVM installation. After downloading and installing NVM using the official script, you can install the desired Node.js version and automatically get npm alongside it. You can also set a default Node.js version for your user account and switch between versions easily. Finally, verify the installation by checking the versions of Node.js and npm in your terminal. This approach ensures a robust and flexible Node.js environment tailored to Linux systems. On IBM X systems, Node.js can be installed and managed using NVM, Node Version Manager, which simplifies handling multiple versions without affecting system-level packages. First, download and set up NVM following the official instructions for X-compatible shells. Once NVM is configured, you can fetch and install the Node.js version you need, which will automatically include npm for package management. After installation, confirm that Node.js and npm are working correctly by checking their versions in the terminal. This setup provides a controlled and flexible Node.js environment on X, making it easier to maintain and update different Node.js versions over time. Let's try an example. Open your terminal and enter the first command to download and install NVM, Node Version Manager. This command will fetch the installation script and set up NVM on your system, allowing you to manage multiple versions of Node.js easily. After installing NVM, you need to set up Node.js. First, ensure that NVM is loaded in your current terminal session by running $home nvm sh. This makes the NVM command available without restarting your terminal. Then, use NVM to download and install the version of Node.js you want. Once the installation is complete, verify that Node.js is installed correctly by checking its version with NodeV. Similarly, confirm that npm is installed and working properly by running npm-v. Completing these steps ensures that both Node.js and npm are ready to use, allowing you to create and manage your projects smoothly. Step 3. Open VS Code. First, make sure you have Node.js installed on your computer. You can check this by opening your terminal and running node npm-v. If both commands return a version number, you're ready to go. Next, create a new project folder with make directory node app. Then move into that folder with cd node app. Now initialize your project with npm init. This creates a package.json file that manages your project dependencies. Then, install Express with npm install Express. Once installed, create a new file called index.js. This will be your main server file. Add the following code and start the server with node index.js. Open your browser and go to http://localhost:3000. You should see Hello, Express on the screen. Now you've successfully created and run your first Node.js app using Express. From here, you can start expanding your application by adding more routes, handling different types of requests, and even connecting to a database. Express makes it easy to build everything from simple websites to full-featured APIs. Keep experimenting and building. This is the foundation of backend development with Node.js.